Right now, we are here at Pamilihang Pinoy Asian Restaurant. Papasok na kami. Dito na kami sa Pamilihang Pinoy. So, whatever stock you miss in the Philippines, most often than not, excuse me, meron sila rito. Tanong, JM, go ask nga if they have tawas. Ayan, mamasitas. Hanap ka ng ano?
How much is this?
Look for oyster sauce.
How much is this?
I don't know. Oyster sauce, oyster sauce. Pinakurat. Perfect, pinakurat. May pinakurat pa ba tayo? Ayan, ito yung mga pinamili namin. Patis, ginitaang santol, toge, tsaka yung they call it mung beans here, munggo. Ayan, mga chichirya, cheese curls, snaku, tortillos, my favorite, lala, Mr. Chips, Oishi. Lahat ng mamimiss mo sa Pilipinas, including si chicharon ni Mangwa nandito, cracklings, cheese ring. Meron dito albatros. Pabango ng asawa ko to. Ariyo.
5, 6 to ha? 6.
Soon after.
After Pamilihang Pinoy, we're now entering, we just entered Walmart.
Nah, this is Target. Target is my
Oh, this one is Target? No, it's Walmart. My goodness, look at the logo. Don't make up a lot of me. Oh, there's an ugly kid right there. There's an ugly kid right there.
Brother,
Now
we're
he's
at
right in front of me,
we're
or
at
beside
Target.
me.
We're not in Walmart. Target is much better.
Oh, really? Mga gulay dito, grabe. Giants, gigantics. Laki ng produce dito. Even the repollos are gigantic. Nandito naman kami sa Walmart to buy the rest of our stocks that are not available at the Pamilihang Pinoy. Para lang itong ano, pure gold sa Pinas. Ayan. Dito na lahat. Everything you need out here.
No, but I like it straws. You just want
Tayo na aso. Dog food. Sorry na. Kala ko paano. Yan, section pala ito ng dog food. At cat food. Let's grab. What the hell are you doing here?
We can always check in the beer.
Ito mga beans na to. Ayan, marami dito nito. Pero di namin makain. Yung pamangkin ko sa Pampanga, hilig na to. Takaw yun. NJ ang pangalan, si Nata Ijin. Sila nakakakain yan. Oo, takaw yan eh. Oo, no. Ayan. Ito na si Senyorita Gorda. Kararating lang. Ayun yung rice. Lagi may partner na dry beans. Ayan o. Rice and dry beans. Laging ganyan dito. Kasi marami dito Mexicano. Kaya tayo bigas. Ayan, beans. Tapos bigas. Laging partner sila din eh. Ayan, long green. Masarap yan. Masarap iluto kasama ng pares. Ayan, Senyora Gorda. Dami ng pinamili ni Senyorita Gorda. Sana all may pera. Sana all may pera. Dito sa rin. Basta lang meron kang trabaho. Dahil pag wala, taktay ka rin. Unless shelter is more. Mukhang masarap to ah. Gusto niyo ba to? Ang dami nila. May S eh. Bobos. My goodness. Alright, that wraps up our grocery for tonight. And Happy's already at the counter paying. Alright, so thank you so much and see you on my next videos.